The babies having milk for the first time. See if I can get their little milk mustaches. Hi, puppies. Is that good stuff? There's Blue. Get back in there, Blue. Your sisters are going to eat it all. Pinky with the milk mustache. The red girl. There's Purple. There's Teal. The girls are liking that, huh? Get your brother back in there. Let's see if I can grab him. No, you don't need to clean the sisters' faces. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. Okay. They're busy licking it off each other. Hey, guys, get back in the pan. So funny. So funny, yeah. Come on, get back in there. Yeah, try some more. Good stuff. Why are you making all that noise? I think it's Pinky. I can't quite tell. So funny. Oh, they're growing like weeds. Won't be long and they'll be outgrowing the box. They'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow already. Like, where in the heck does the time go? You giving up, Blue? Come on, buddy. You giving up? You better get back in there. Yeah, get back in there. Try some more. And try some more? Sometimes it takes them a little while to get used to drinking it. You gotta get the hang of that. Oh, look at that face. Where's that cute face at? I think that's a red girl that's covered. Let me see her little face. Look at that face. Hi. Hi, red girl. Look at that milk mustache. Hey, you're covered. You're covered in it. Look at your little face. Here, purple girl, you got all over your face too. Look at that. Look at that face. Oh, yes. Mommy's gonna have a good time cleaning this mess up. Okay, well that's about enough of that. Bye for now.